Anurag Thakur ji, about the lessons from Tokyo and what is it that you think we need to do between Tokyo and Paris to ensure that we go from 7 to double digits. And I also want to know what is your aim for the next Olympics and how do you hope to get there?
Thank you, Rahul ji. As you have already set the target from 7 to double digit, or maybe doubling the number from 7 to 14 or whatever. See, the first issue is of creating a sporting culture. From stopping culture to sporting culture. From people's participation to people's movement. So I think it's very important to nurture that and infuse that kind of feelings. I think that has started. The way the Prime Minister is engaging with the sports persons and also encouraging them before the event and post-event also, that was very important. And the Tokyo Olympics and before that, it wasn't an easy time. We were going through the troubled times, COVID-19 pandemic, and to train the players locally and globally wasn't that easy. And I'd like to thank my friend Shri Kiren Rijiju for putting all the efforts and his team during that time also and when I took over. So I think we get along well, we know each other well, part of the same Modi cabinet. So I think that was one way. And you could see that during the Olympics and post-Olympics also, the coordination among both of us. But in future also, I personally feel there's a larger role to be played by the center, state, national sports, central government, state government, national sports federations, educational institutes, and the private sector, which could be NGOs, or the corporate sector, or the private sector. Why I'm saying so is, it's a state subject. Sports is a state subject. States has to play an important role. Then the federations, association has to pick teams, select teams. Center can work on the elite athletes or to create some infrastructure all over the country. That is what we are trying to do. And that is how Modi ji's involvement into sports and his passion for sports has actually helped. His experiment in Gujarat from Khel Mahakumbh to giving a larger size and scale to make it Khelo India at the national level, that has actually helped. From the talent hunt at the local level to teach and train the athletes for the global excellence. So I think that has actually helped us, but how to take it forward? There are many steps which need to be taken. A larger participation of the corporate sector. If you look at the school, college and universities, we don't see that kind of participation today. But if you look at the United States of America, only one university like Stanford gives you a large number of medals, 26 to 27 medals, if you look at the Tokyo Olympics or the Rio Olympics. So how many universities here in India are giving that kind of contribution? So I think it is everyone have to come together, all these five, the central government, state government, national sports federations, educational institutes, and the private sector, NGOs to the corporate and the private sector. I think they should come together. And there is no reason why we shouldn't do well. If the sports person of today can feel and believe that they can win a medal, Olympic medal in future, I think that belief is the most important thing. And I think the youngsters today, the sportsmen today, are feeling so. वो सोचते भी हैं और सच कर दिखाने में भी पूरी तरह से ताकत लगाते हैं.